Hey guys, welcome to OnFireRobloxScripting, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a very simple light that flickers from time to time. So let's just get right into it. So before we start, make sure you go under the View tab and open up the Explore and Properties. After that, we're going to need to create our light that we're going to flicker in the tutorial. So I'm going to do that by going into the Model tab and then going to Part. I'm just going to click on Part. I'm just going to go closer to this part over here. I'm going to use the scale tool to turn this part into a little brick. 2 by 2 by 1 should be fine, just like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the part. I'm just going to rename this part to something like light. And then under the part, I'm going to click the plus and enter in one of these 3 lights. So you have 3 options for what you want as lights. So a point light is going to create like a circle around your object, kind of like that. And then you have the spotlight, which creates it from the center towards one side. And then you have the surface light, which creates it from one surface to one side. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be using a spotlight, because that's what most people use. So this is what the spotlight looks like. If you actually want to see it in action, what you can do is go under the lighting, and then under the properties of it, go find the clock time and just set that to 0. So that's going to make your entire game become nighttime. And then go back to the spotlight, and then under the properties of the spotlight, you can change things like the brightness, the angle, and the range. So I'm just going to increase the brightness a little bit so you can kind of see it on the Explorer right now. And the range, it doesn't really matter, you can increase it just a little bit. But yeah, you can play around with your spotlight how you like it. And of course, if you move the block, the light will also move with the block. So when you're creating your lights, just keep those things in mind. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to rotate it 90 degrees. So the light is now facing down, and I'm going to bring it up just a little bit so you can kind of see what the light looks like. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go into our light. We're going to click the plus and enter in a script. And now for the script, you're going to write what I write. First off, we're going to start off with some variables. So local light equals to script.parent, and then local spotlight equals to light.spotlight. And now we can write the actual flickering part. So this is going to be while true do. And then we're going to go down the line. If math.random is under, and then we're going to put a number between 0 and 1. And this is going to be like the percent chance of the light flickering. So if I put something like 0.3, this is going to be a 30% chance that the light flickers. If I put something like 0.5, there is a 50% chance that light is going to flicker. And if I put something like 0.7, there is a 70% chance that that light is going to flicker. So I'm going to put it at a 0.3. And then put a space and write then. And then we can write spotlight dot enabled equals to true, and then go down a line and write task dot wait 0.1, and then go down a line and write spotlight dot enabled equals to false. And then what we want to do is after this end, go down a line and we're going to write task dot wait, and then the number you put in here is going to be how many seconds you want the game to wait before it tries to flicker the light again. So I'm just going to put it as 1 second. So basically what this means is a while true loop means it's going to run on forever. So it's going to repeat whatever's inside until the server shut down. And then this 0.3 and math.random means if there's a 30% chance that this is going to happen. And if the 30% chance does hit, we're going to enable the spotlight. So we're going to make the light show. And after 0.1 seconds, we're going to disable the spotlight so that you can no longer see the light. Now what this is going to do is this is going to make the light be off most of the time. If you want the light to be on most of the time, you can just change this true to false and this false to true. With that out of the way, let's go test it out. So here I am inside the game, and you can see this is our light, and every 1 second is going to attempt to flicker this light. So we're just going to wait until a flicker happens. There we go. So every second there's a 30% chance that this light is going to flicker. If we go back into the script, you can actually change the odds of this. So for example, if you want a faster flicker, then instead of waiting every 1 second for it to flicker, we can make it wait 0.1 second, and then we can also decrease the odds to 10%. So if we try that now, it's gonna look a little bit different. So this is my light over here, and it should be flickering a little more. Yeah, just like that. So yeah, so that'll be it for this tutorial. If you liked it, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!